Hello guys, TrainFan79 here. Welcome back to another video. And this is a very bad video, guys. So if you're new, hit the like button and subscribe and comment on this video. Because, guys, there's gonna be a tornado. And I'm gonna try to catch the tornado on camera. Because it's really dark and there's rumbling and there's lightning. Like, let me go and show you. There's gonna be a flipping tornado. So guys, you can see I actually barricaded up these windows and barricaded over there because I thought this thing will break. So I barricaded. I tried. If you look outside, guys, you could see like did you just hear that, guys? That was thunder. Oh, did you see that? That was a lightning strike. There's a rumbling thunder. See, guys, there's gonna be a flipping tornado. You guys, let me check you. Let me check. I can literally tell you. Okay, bye, Joe Biden. Okay, let me tell you. We go to the weather, guys. Let me go. See, guys, so there's two. There's gonna be a tornado. See, there's two severe weather alerts. See, two severe weather alerts. There's a tornado watch and a wind advisory. So let's go and click tornado watch here. So let's read it, guys. So there's going to be a tornado watch. It says the National Weather Service has issued tornado watch 25 in effect until 10 p.m. KS, 11 p.m. East. This evening for the following areas. So there's a tornado watch. There's also wind velocity. Northwest winds 20 to 30 mile per hour, wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour extended. Where pollutions of central, east, north, and northeast Illinois. When from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Wednesday. Impact. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. So this is like an F-020 affected area north from Cook, issued by the National Weather Service. So there's gonna be two disasters, guys. There's gonna be like high winds, like there's also gonna be a tornado, guys. I did barricade a bit, a kind of barricade. So guys, stay safe, guys. I hope the tornado. But I should be safe, guys. I should be safe, because if we go over here, dude, guys. Oh crap, guys. See, I have a basement here. I'm not gonna open it because I'm scared. I don't like the dark. Okay, this is no good. Let me hear it. You can hear it again. See, guys, that's outside. Did you hear that, guys? That's rumbling of thunder. Yeah, literally thunder. Thunder, guys. Really dangerous. We're gonna die, guys. Oh no. I gotta tell Steve Holt and Connor about this. Yeah, I'm gonna comment that there is going to be a storm to Steve Holt. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell Steve Holt that there's gonna be a storm. Yeah, there's gonna be a tornado and heavy wind. So guys, stay safe. I'm gonna barricade my fish tank. Come on, fish, stay safe. Guys, you too safe. Hit the like button and subscribe and comment because the tornado will come to you and destroy your house. I will see you guys again soon. Bye.